Hey friends, and welcome back. So today I wanted to take you along to the Dollar Tree and kind of do a shop with me and a haul. It's a little bit different than other things that I've done. So usually what I do is in the beginning of the month I make a list of all of the DIYs that I want to do, and then I hit the Dollar Tree up in the beginning of the month and hope that they have everything that I need for my DIYs. And usually they don't, but then at least I know what I need to pick up kind of along the way, and I can get DIYs done in the beginning of the month. So it's a little bit of a behind the scenes shop with me Dollar Tree haul. This is new for me, but let's go. The first thing that I looked at Dollar Tree were these signs, and they had these kind of paper signs too that were mason jars that I thought would be really cute for like a party or something. But I did pick up a couple of these because I do like to paint them and decorate them kind of on the back. And then I checked out the floral section too, which actually wasn't so bad this time, and I did need kind of a grapevine wreath and they didn't have that. They did have this though. It's June. My Dollar Tree always seems to be like a little bit behind all of the other Dollar Trees. I did check these out too. I like to grab these every so often. But my Dollar Tree, like whenever I need something, usually I go for bins and they have no bins. This time I did not go for bins and they had all of the bins. I thought these were so cute. They're that enamel kind of look. I probably could have bought all of these, but I walked away, and I bet when I go back there won't be any. And they had more fall stuff in June. Okay, we are back. There were 26 things on my list. They didn't have everything that I needed. They didn't have the craft paper. They didn't have the wooden cutting boards that I've been looking for forever for a DIY that's been on my list for a really long time, but I still spent $39, and we'll get home and I'll show you guys what I got. So some of this stuff really won't make sense until I start those DIYs, but I did get this Our Nest mat for our foyer. I'll probably layer it with something, and I got 4 of these gray mats to do a DIY with the kids, and I did get a pool noodle, and I'm going to kind of turn that into a wreath. I got some Spanish moss and some of this floral foam. I got this vase, which I probably really shouldn't have gotten. I got it in Band-Aids because, you know, I have 4 kids. But I got this vase to paint, but I already have a vase where I'm putting it, so I should have just painted the vase that I have. But, you know, whatever. It was $1. I got 2 of these ropes. I got one of these chickens. I've had one of these before and a kid accidentally broke it, so I just wanted to replace him. I finally found the white one again. You may have heard our rooster Ollie in a couple of my voiceovers before. He likes to cock-a-doodle-doo whenever I do a voiceover. I got 2 of these garlands. I hadn't seen them before at our store, and I knew that if I didn't get them now, they probably wouldn't be there when I wanted them. I got some balloons, red and white, and I needed some blue balloons, so I just looked at this multi-pack and got one that looked like it had enough blue balloons. And I did pick up a couple floral items too. I really like green. I use it a lot in my DIYs and my decor. So I picked up these cute little cattails, and I picked up these kind of green hydrangeas too. I just thought they were a really pretty green, and I couldn't leave them there. And these were the signs I got. Again, I am not getting them at all for like the sayings that are actually on them. I will probably flip them over and paint on the back and put designs on the back of them, except for this one. I really like this Keep Life Simple sign. Again, it was green, so and I got this sign, the red, white, and blue glitter stars, to put onto a DIY for 4th of July. I got a lighter just because I needed one, and 2 things of this burlap ribbon. I'm hoping it's enough to kind of wrap around the pool noodle to make a wreath. I got 2 of these terracotta pots, and I got these succulent clips. I was really excited. Again, my Dollar Tree seems like behind. One of them broke in the bag on the way home, but I don't think it'll be that big of a deal for what I have planned for it. I feel like everyone had these succulent clips a while ago, and mine just showed up. I also got some white duct tape. This is another sign that I got that wasn't in the bag with the other signs, and I got it because I liked how it looked like a tag. I actually probably won't use this for a DIY quite yet, but I have something in mind for it later. I picked up these garden stakes. If you saw our teacher gift video, we had garden stakes from Walmart, but I knew that they would have some at the Dollar Tree too, so I went ahead and picked those up for my son's teachers so we could give them out as end of year gifts. If you haven't seen that video, make sure you check it out. I'll link it in the description for you guys. And I also got this calendar so we can plan out our Camp Mom for summer. If you haven't seen our Camp Mom, I'll link that stuff for you guys too. And then I also got this sign, which I hold upside down for way too long before I realized. I just thought it was cute, and I really like all the succulents inside of that wreath. Thanks so much for watching, guys. As always, you can find more from us here. Make sure you subscribe so you can follow all of our adventures. Give it a big thumbs up and let me know down in the comments what was your favorite thing that I got during this shopping trip. Bye, guys.